Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Robb from the Dead West set. It was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with dark green grey over his shirt. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, all of the leather parts and the wood on his shotgun get done with British Khaki. To add a highlight to the shirt and a base coat for the gloves, I went for a Ranger Cloak. This goes over all of the raised parts of the folds, just leaving that darker tone in the recesses. For the exposed skin, which is just his face, I grabbed Elven skin. Getting his hair and a highlight on his chaps done, I went for Dust Bowl. This isn't too different from the base colour on the chaps, but it's different enough to add variation. Just stops them looking too flat. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. Now to get the highlights done on the gloves and a base coat for the bandana and hat with Kobold Grey. To highlight up the hat and the bandana, I went over the edges and flat areas with Griffon Claw. For the metal parts, I went for plate armour over all of these. Adding a wash to the mini, I used Archaic Sepia wash. This went on a little bit thick though, so I went around and picked up all of the areas that pulled a bit too much for my liking. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Robb. I managed to get him finished just within the 20-minute mark, but for a mini that's going to be on a table with a large group of other minis, he's really ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.